welcome into Mixing It Up Together. I'm Dawn. Today I am going to try a brownie with something added to it. I want to thank you for joining me and checking out my channel. Please subscribe, like my videos. Again, I've said this before, I got a lot of things planned. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to add the brownie mix, and I just have the milk chocolate. I prefer that over really any of the other ones. And then I am going to add 2 tablespoons of water, 2 eggs, and then a half a cup of vegetable oil. I know we all can make brownies. Believe it or not, I've even messed brownies up, but this is going to be a little bit different. I hope everybody's having a good day. It's a little chilly here in Western PA. We've had snow on and off, but we didn't get hit by that big storm, thank goodness. Okay, I'm gonna get a different. I hope these turn out. I've never made them. I do a lot of my thinking late at night, like 1 in the morning, and I come up with things, and I like to just try them first on here. If I mess up, oh well, that's part of what my channel's about, and getting your feedback and telling me what I could do different. So mix these up real good. Hope y'all had a good weekend. I didn't do too much. I've been doing a lot of planning for my channel, and I've been trying to edit one of my videos, and I've just had a heck of a time with it, and I'm not sure why. It just doesn't want to download to YouTube. Okay, this should be about the right consistency. Okay, so I am going to add in the mixture some caramel bits. And add as many or as few as you want. And then I'm just going to mix these in. Okay, these look about mixed in really well. Let me know what you guys are cooking today. I'd love to know. Any ideas would be great. Okay, this looks really good here. I really need to get a spoon rest, and I also need to get an apron. But the only aprons I find are floury, and I'm not a floury person at all. Try to find one with dogs or something. Dogs are my favorite animal. I'm a huge dog lover. Okay, so now I have, I don't know, a little bit of peanut butter, and I'm just going to mix it up. I'm not going to melt it or anything. I'm just going to mix it up. Kind of get it a little bit smoother. And I have my oven set on 350 preheating. Okay, that's a good texture. Okay, so I'm going to pour half of the mix in the bottom. And you know, I could screw this up too, but I'm pretty confident maybe. It really seems thick, of course. That's my issue. I don't remember it being this thick when I made brownies before, but I don't remember, I guess. And I'm going to look at the box with my glasses on to make sure I didn't forget anything because last time I didn't add enough oil. So I'm just going to grab it right out of here and make sure. 2 tablespoons of water, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 eggs. That's exactly what I have here. So I'm going to make sure this covers the whole bottom. Okay, now we're going to add the peanut butter in the middle. Okay, much better. We're not going to goop it on if possible. I just want to kind of drizzle it through and try to keep it away from the edges so it doesn't burn. Chocolate, peanut butter, and caramel, so good. There we go, it's coming out good. Put as much in, as little in as you want. Try not to glop it in there. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I'm trying to get some in there for every piece. All right, that looks good. Perfect. Maybe a little bit more. So if y'all know where I can find an apron with doggies on it, please let me know in the comments. I had a dog I had to put down in September. His name was Cooper, and he was my life. He was a yellow lab, and it was one of the hardest things I've had to do. It's still hard for me to deal with. I tell you what, they're like a family member. They're like your kids. It's just really hard. Okay, now I'm gonna put this back on the top of it. Probably should have used my mixer for this, but we're good. I got the caramel in there. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Anyway, it was really hard to put my dog down. He had liver cancer, so I'm still a huge dog lover. I always will be. And eventually, maybe I'll get another one. I miss walking him and taking him in the car with me. And we were very close. Okay. All right, I have all this out. And I am going to use my finger to get the rest. It's just me and my husband eating them, so that's okay. I feel this is really thick, but I know I did it right. But maybe I should have used my mixer. Let me know if you think I should have. I'm just trying to cover most of the peanut butter here. Okay, so I did spray the bottom of my 9x9, and then I'm going to put this in the oven, and for my topping for these, I am making homemade whipped cream for the first time. Never done it before, so we'll see how that turns out. I'm going to put these in the oven for, it says 35 to 38 minutes, and then I have my bowl and my beater in my freezer to make the whipped cream. So we'll see what happens with that. Okay, so we're gonna do something new, or different I should say, not new by any means. I went to measure out my stuff for the whipped cream, and the heavy cream was bad, even though it's not supposed to be bad until the expiration date was March 26th of 26. So it's still good. It was still supposed to be good, so I didn't go buy any. So I still have Cool Whip, which I'm going to use when the brownies are done instead, because I want to taste these brownies. So I am going to wait for the brownies to get done and just use Cool Whip. I was so excited to try whipped cream, but I will do that another time soon. So once the brownies are done, I will try them, and I think they're going to be really good. They smell great. They smell so good. So I had my mixer out. My mom is a great baker. My grandmother, her mom, excellent. They've made cakes, wedding cakes. They've always made really big displays for Christmases and all the time. So I don't think I really got that gene, but I do want to try to bake. I want to get it down so I can do it. I want to learn to make homemade cupcakes with, learn how to pipe. So my channel is going to be a lot of learning, and I really hope that I can get your feedback and you can teach me a lot, and the community a lot. So once the brownies are done, we'll see what happens, and hopefully those turn out, and then we'll put some Cool Whip on it and see how it tastes. Okay everyone, the brownies are done. Here they are. You can see the peanut butter on top, and the little caramel bits are hidden inside. So we're going to cut this. I got my coffee, my McCafe. I drink it all the time. I am a huge coffee drinker, on and off all day. So let's get these cut. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Crispy edges, but that's okay. I like a crispy edge. And like I said, my whipping cream, the whipping cream went bad, so I couldn't use it, and I couldn't make it. I'm hugely disappointed. You can see the caramel in it, and I'm going to actually put some Cool Whip on it. Feels pretty light, so hopefully there's enough in here. Yeah. I need a silverware hickey too. I need a lot of things to get this stuff going here. Okay. And I know homemade whipped cream would be so much better, so much better. But I'm just going to put a little bit of this on, or a lot. Looks so good. Okay. Clean fork. Alright guys, let's test it out. Oh, it's so chewy. Yum, 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 so good. It's chewy with the caramel bits. The peanut butter is so good. Turned out perfect. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you try this out. Leave in the comments, subscribe, and like to my channel. Stay tuned. My next video is going to be dinner for tonight. A Big Mac wrap. See ya.